Welcome to our channel Devlan Tech. In last video we have to learn how to link our CS file and JS file in our Python project, and also how to set the URL or images in our website. So today we have to learn how to design the other pages like about us, contact us, and services, and how to define the URLs in the Python Django. So first you have to open your project, go to start menu and open your Visual Studio Code. First we have to open our project, so use the command cd and your project name is Python project. Press the enter, then start our project. And go to browser. So in last video we have to design home page like this. We have to set the image URL and or CSS files URL, and the page is look like this. So today we have to design our about us page and package page, training page, and contact us page. Also we have to design the URL also. So first you have to open your app url.py file. So click on that, and here we define the URL path. So copy this line of code from here and paste it. So first we have to write here the URL name. So we have to creating the about page, so we type here about, and then here we type the view name. So view is the function name, so we type here about, and the name of the view is also about. Now we have to define the function in view.py file. So open the view.py file and you have to copy send the code here. So Control V and type here the name of the function. So function name is about, and we have to render on about.html. Press the Ctrl S and also Ctrl S. Now create one file about.html in our pages directory. Go and here about.html, and we type some code here. So type h1 and write here about us and press Ctrl S. And now we have to open home.html file, and here we have to type the URL. So type about, and we have to put the slash here and save the file. Now refresh the browser and click on the about page. So we go to about page and or link also, URL also working fine. So now we design the about us page. So go to your download page and go in template. So we have the about us page here. So open it and copy the all code from here and paste in your about.html file. So control and control S. So now about us also working. So the CSS and JS and images also not working. So same thing we have to apply here. So go to top on that and write here the code load static and manage the URL. Now refresh the browser. So we got the or CSS and we also set the some immediate path also. First one is the logo, the link, and here. So look at here, we set the path and we got the our menu and about us and the image of, but in footer we don't set some immediate path and also I don't set the JS path also. Here, look at here. So here we have to change something in our code because at the home page, click on the home page. So we have set the URL, the home page. Okay. So first we directly call the home page. then we set. So look at here, at the home page we have the header and the top bar, that is menu, and the footer also like this, have the same in our home page and also in our other page. The header and footer are the same in both pages. So we have to write one code and one template that will have a header and footer. So we can mention in our home page and about us page that header and footer, so we don't write the code again and again. For that we have to create one another template. So this is our main template, so you have to create here in pages folder. The file name is main.html. In main.html we have to copy the home page code and paste here in the home.html. So now we have to remove the middle portion. In the header section we have to remove the banner section and about us section or service and or project level. So in body portion we have to remove this thing, this banner and this about us and our classes or prices, and we have to remove the contact us also. So open the project and in main.html remove all the div that is belongs to body part. So we remove all the div, price, and the banner section also we don't need. Remove the banner section, then Control 7 request and remove the contact us also. This is the contact us section. So we have to save header and footer portion here and press the Control+. And now go to our HTML and we also type one code here. After the header portion we have to here type one that is called the blog. So we have to type blog and content and then press this one, and here we close the blog. So close here and type and blog, and press it. Now go to our HTML, home.html, and here we remove all the footer part and the header part. So from here, remove this header part also, and type here extend extend main.html, then close this portion, and after this we have to start our blog up. So we start the content blog here, the blog content, and now go to down and also remove the footer content. So here, from here to remove the footer also, remove this footer content also, and this link and whatever everything after that, and here type the end of the blog. So here you have to put and blog content, blog name, and press. Now go to browser and check your. So here we have the static problem. So go to your HTML file. So on the home page we have the problem with the static. So you have to load here static also. So copy the and go and paste here and save. Then refresh your browser. So blog looking for one of the end blog. We have some problem with the block of code. We are not closing our blog content. So check the home.html file, blog content, and and block content we don't close here, so refresh and check now. Your website is working fine now. So look at here. We don't set two time header and footer in our home page and also about us page. Now we mention the URL in our main.html. So open the main.html file and go to top and the header section. We have to define the URL also. First one is the blank URL for home page, and this one also for the home page, and type here /about and control S. Now check the about us. So we go to about us folder also. So look at here at the on the about us folder and the home page. Okay, read the home page. This is the home link. Now control S, refresh the project, press the control R, and first we have to download. This is our home page, control R, and look at here. Okay, now the URL is perfect. So go to home page, go to about us, and we look here, the top menu is working with the same CSS URL and JSS URL that we have to set in main.html file. So main.html is your base template we can include in all other pages, so no need to set again and again the header and footer of our project. So in the about us page we don't get this image path, so for that we have to type one thing in our about us .php. The same thing we have to do in our about us PHP, like as we have to do in our home.html. So copy this code from here and go to about us.php. So here we have to type control V and remove all the code, and from this section, and also remove the header section. And go to down and remove this footer section also. And here we have to type the end block code. So shift ginger code and end block content. So close the content block here and press yes, and now check. So we get the all images and CSS perfectly. So we also create the package page and training page and contact us page. So first we have to define here URL. So for the package page, copy and paste here and type here package and the name of the view. So we name it package. Now we have to define the view in view.py file. So copy paste and control V. The name is package and here the name of the HTML file is also package and create the HTML file and press enter. So but for creating the package.html file, same code you have to write from the about us, control A, control C and control A, control V and control S. So whatever the inside the code black inside the block content, you have to delete that one and go to your template folder. So here open the price.html file and you have to copy the code from here to here. Leave the footer and header section because we already mentioned footer and header in main.html. Now go and paste inside it and save and refresh and also set the URL in the package dot. So open your main.html file and here type the URL is price and place here. So you have to create all the page like about us package and now click on the package. So the error is showing like this. So error is showing in our url.py file. Go to url.py file and check the URL is not finding. So here we type the package and in the main.html we type the price. So type this one here and now go to home page. So type now our price is working. So remaining page you have to create training page and contact us you have to create. And thank you for watching and subscribe our channel. See you in next video.